Wicked Fabs, and today on the channel we are going to install a set of these tail light guards on our 2nd gen project truck. I've been looking all over for a set of these and they're hard to come by, and I finally found a set I thought Amazon, and they will go over the tail lights like so. So I think it'll add a nice little protection for the rear end. And I'll get things set up here and we'll get started. Okay, once you have your tail light guard that you're going to be applying to the right side, there is a correct way to apply these, or side to apply these, to the left and right side. What you'll need is a torque bit to take out these 2 screws right here. And I don't have a torque bit driver, so I'm going to make one, and I will show you the Wicked Fabs tip of the day. Hell yeah! Once you find the correct torque bit, you need to take out these 2 screws. Get yourself a 1/4 inch socket, a little bit of electric tape. You could use any tape, but I like using electrical tape. Rip yourself off a little piece of that. And then just tape your torque bit to your 1/4 inch socket. And as long as you have a set of different type driver bits, you can make any driver set you need for your application, as long as you have a 1/4 inch socket or a small socket set. And then I'll just attach it to the end of my driver, and I will take these 2 torque screws out. There's one on the bottom, one on the top. You want to go on the inside of the bed rail here. And you'll start seeing your tail light coming loose. Don't lose your screws because you'll be reusing them. And then to pull this out, there should be a little tab here on the side holding the side in. So I'll take you around and show you that part. And the little tabs up here, with this tail light guard, this was made by Steelcraft, and you really don't need to pull it all the way out, just enough to get this tab behind the tail light. So what I'll do is set it up like this, pull out your bottom of your tail light and work that up in there somehow. Or maybe we'll try it this way without that in hand. Okay, we'll just pop it out. There's a screw that latches up in here that just pushes in. So we'll get our tail light guard assembly, work that behind the tail light. Well, it comes out anyway. Just line your tab back up behind the light and your bolt in there. And you want the brackets on the outside of the tail light. So there you have it. You just push it in, and your bracket's lined up there. It's behind your tail light, and then all you gotta do is finish putting the screws in. So I'll take you over to there and we'll put the screws back in. Once you have your guard in place, get your torque driver and line up the screws. And it could be a little bit difficult because they have little tabs in the back. And there you have it. Your tail light guard for your Ram has been installed. I think it's a nice added look to it. Let's take a look at what we have so far. There you have it. Your tail light guard by Steelcraft has now been installed. I'll get the other side done and we'll take a look at what it looks like with both of them on the truck. All right, I got the second one installed, and I did run into a little bit of difficulty along the way. The screws that attach the guard to the inside where the tail light goes just didn't seem to be long enough, which they would have worked, but I ended up putting stainless steel ones in anyway. So let me show you that. Right here you can see where I added the stainless steel screws. I made them a little bit longer so we get a little bit snugger fit in here. I did that on both sides. Now I'll show you you guys what it looks like with the tailgate up. Okay, there you have it. The tail light guards are now on. Here's where the little tab is that goes behind the tail light assembly. Okay, there you have it. My Steelcraft tail light guards for my 2nd gen project truck has now been installed on the vehicle. I hope this video helps you guys out in what it takes to install a set of these. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave a comment. I'm Joe. Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll it. Wicked fast!